Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today we are gonna go through the new look of Microsoft Teams. So stay with me and please subscribe to the channel. So in front of you, I've opened this Teams for me. This is my personal subscription, and I have a button. I can switch to it. So you can see I'm getting all the messages, and I click on get it for now. Let's see what it comes out with. And the new Teams is currently being downloading and will automatically open when it is finished. So I won't hold you till then. Let's pause and resume. Okay, so now it's ready. So I have the option to switch now. I click on switch now. So now after downloading, installing, it is ready. You may need to install some additional components. You will get a warning if you don't have it already. And sometimes Teams may restart, sometimes it may ask you to re-log in. So it's fine, but ultimately you can see this new look and feel. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.